What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a great freaking day, and I hope you guys are excited for this video. We're actually gonna go to the gas station. I've got like, let me see, a little bit between, I'm about halfway between a quarter and a half a tank of gasoline right now. And I know I promised you guys a miles per gallon review on this 5 to 6 speed conversion for the Duramax Tuner.com 5 to 6 speed conversion valve body setup that's in the truck now. So basically, I wanted to fill it up and I wanted to clock my mileage. Now keep in mind that the mileage that you're going to see here is not going to be strictly highway mileage. Maybe later on I'll do a video on just strictly highway mileage. Basically, like if I go from here to like Boston, which is all highway, or if I go from like here to, say for example, Benson Motorsports down in North Carolina, that's all highway. This is a combination of highway, local highways, and street driving, so stoplights, stop signs, etc. So keep that in mind before you do any judgment on the video of like, oh, I thought you were gonna get better gas mileage, blah, blah, blah. It's not about that. This is average gas mileage between street driving and highway driving, so it's a combination. So it's going to be kind of accurate, kind of not accurate, just so you guys kind of know that right off the bat. But I will say the 5 to 6 speed conversion from DuramaxTuner.com has been working phenomenal. The thing works great. It's still doing what it's supposed to do. I haven't had any issues with the transmission, haven't had any issues with the shifting. The firm downshifting has gotten a lot better since the valve body has kind of worked its way in, and the upshifting is still good to go, so I have no complaints there. Very awesome product. If you guys are interested in a 5 to 6 speed conversion for your Duramax Allison 5-speed transmission, do me a favor, go check out the first link in the description below and hit them guys up. They will be more than happy to help you guys get your 5 to 6 speed Allison dreams, having them come true and stuff. So let's go to the gas station. Oh, there's a BMW, piece of junk. Sorry guys, I'm sitting in a parking lot, I seen a junk BMW, I had to say something about it, you know what I mean? Let's go to the gas station. We're gonna run down here to Sheets. We're gonna fill up on diesel. I'm thinking it's probably gonna take about 60 bucks, maybe 50 bucks to fill this tank up. It is a 26-gallon tank, just so you know. So once we get down there, we're gonna fill the tank up. We're gonna average out what mileage we have, and we're gonna average out the gallons that we have to fill it up, obviously, to get there. And we'll see what it comes out to, guys. So I hope you're excited for the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, do that right now before we get started. Don't forget to like this video at the end if you did enjoy it. I really appreciate the support that you guys give me. It means a lot to me, guys. You have no idea. Let's get rolling. All right, guys, hopefully you can see me and hear me perfectly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to check out what our mileage is. And I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of fucking you guys here a little bit, but I've already kind of done the calculations and it's pretty interesting. Not going to lie. Keep in mind, like I said in the beginning of the video, keep in mind this is a combination of highway and street driving, stoplight, stop signs, so on and so forth, stop and go, you know, and I would say probably a 50-50 split of highway and of street driving as well, just regular cruising around, driving to work, driving to the movie theater, etc., etc. So as you've seen, we had 15.6 gallons. So basically we're gonna round it down to 15.5 gallons, and our mileage on the truck is 214 miles. So just so you guys know, I did top off the tank a little extra. I always do. So technically speaking, it was probably only literally 14, maybe 14.5 gallons of fuel in this thing. I topped it off a half to a gallon extra. I always do that. It's just the way it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into, I'm getting Snapchats. And by the way, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, Diablo Formula, go check it out right there, guys. We'll type in 214 miles, and then we'll divide that by 15.6, which gives us an average of, if you guys can see that, 13.7 miles per gallon. I wouldn't quite call it miles per gallon, but miles per gallon with combination driving highway and combination driving street driving as well, guys. So basically keep in mind here, this is not strictly highway driving. Now, before I told you, when I would drive from here to Boston, it would be, I don't know, 19 miles to the gallon is what I would get. I do plan on making a trip to Boston here soon, so I think that trip up there would be a great highway average of what this truck's gonna get in 6th gear, cruising up the highway up through New York and up through Massachusetts and so on and so forth, to see what this thing really does get. But I wanted to do a video for you guys and let you know what the average mile per gallon is between highway and between street driving as well. But like I said, that's what I want to tell you guys. Keep in mind, this is not strictly highway, this is not strictly street driving. This is a little bit of both, guys, a little bit of both. Just a short little video. I didn't want to take this out too long. I definitely want to give a big shout out to DuramaxTuner.com. Those guys are freaking amazing. Their product is freaking amazing. Go check them guys out. Like I said, first link in the description. If you need a 5 to 6 speed conversion, go hit them guys up. They will definitely hook you up. But other than that, guys, we're going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got a little bit more information on the good old Dirty Max. Unfortunately, she still has a head gasket leak. I will be honest with you. We're going to work on that, though. We are going to work on that. But we're gonna see if we can fix that, maybe. We don't know what's going on yet. We're going to see if we can fix that. Maybe that'll be the next video. Comment below if you want to see a quick and easy fix to a head gasket, or maybe me testing out. We'll put it this way, maybe I could be testing out some head gasket quick sealer stuff like Blue Devil, Bars, some other brands, and see if that fixes this head gasket without actually doing a head gasket. And I know you guys are probably thinking, damn, Andy, what the freak, man? Why don't you just replace the head gaskets? Well, I don't know. I'm just a procrastinator. I'm a little lazy about it, to be honest. I've got a lot of shit going on at the shop, and I just don't have time to work on this truck right now. The mechanic's life is a mechanic's life, guys, and you got to understand that a mechanic's car is the last one to get worked on, unfortunately. That's why all my shit that I own is broken or torn down, for example. Now you guys know. Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, do me a big favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, Girl Scout, guys. Have a good night, day, afternoon, I don't care, whatever.